Oh, we've taken the bus. That would have been better.
Denkteken, ja. Als daar is het.
Right, let's go and find the Elbe, Labe river. Oh, that's a shame, I'm not allowed to cycle here, so that means we have to walk uphill for a K. Well, at least the sun popped out, so that's good. And now that we're here, we are going to go and have a look at the Elbe source. So let's just do it. Hi and welcome to WannaGoBiking. Well, as you can see, we are up a mountain, Pedjan and I, yes. And this is, well, they say it's the source of the Elbe river, or Labe as it's called in the Czech Republic. So we are in the north of Czech Republic. Yeah, the idea is to cycle along the Elbe river to its, well, to the point that it meets the North Sea. Well, we'll see how far we get, but yeah, we at least made it to the start, so that's a good start. Good start. And then we'll see how it goes. The weather is only yeah, a bit so unfortunately, but yeah, what can you do? At least it's dry for now, and we'll just take a little break and then go ahead with the adventure. Should be about 1200 k in total, so yeah, it's quite a big ride. And over there you can see, that's quite beautiful actually, all the major cities that lie along the Elbe river. So very beautiful signs. I think we should be able to see most of them. So if we do, you'll see them on the channel. All right, thank you. See you later. Bye. Granted, my Czech is non-existing, but I did know they had camels here. That's I think we're Ashneski. I think we're very close to the highest peak in Czech Republic, if I'm right. Yeah, I think so. So here we are, the first official sign of the Labe. It's already quite a bit more of a stream than it was, of course, at the top. Oh, this is almost funny. It's the second time I've been in this region on the bike. The second time I reached a top in perfect conditions and then had to pretty much make a dash for it because the weather deteriorated. And yeah, today is no different. I am yeah, wet, so not going to stand still for long. Yeah, it's a shame. I wanted to show you quite a bit of footage, but it's just not doable in these kinds of conditions. So we'll just make go to Vrchlabi, hopefully get some shelter there, and then a coffee, and then head on over to Dvůr Králové, our destination for tonight. So fingers crossed for the weather, because it is changing every 2 seconds or so. Alright, talk to you later guys, bye. So this is Vrchlabi Castle. It's quite nice. what do you know? The sun has come out. Crazy weather today. Rain, cold, warm. Now we are in Hostine. And it's beautiful again. This looks nice. Wow. Look at that. Cool. The beautiful clock. Ah, look at this. So cute. So we're closing on Dvůr Králové, and the weather's been better than expected at some point, and then it started raining again, and now we are having this. It's raining again, so what a crazy summer. But this is such a nice find. Beautiful little dam. Well, it's a bit of a change of scenery for us. We've arrived in Dvůr Králové, and our very friendly host Peter had a few tickets for us, so we can we have free entrance to the zoo. Apparently it's a very famous one as well, so we're going to spend an hour or so here and then head back into town for food. So yeah, see what we can find.
Penguins.
A football. That's the first thing I can see. And there's, what's that? Oh wow!
Mountain lions.
Yay!
Lynx.
Oh cool! They're almost cute if they weren't so dangerous.
You almost want to pet.
Ooh. No, little.
Oh no. Wow.
Our favorite animals, the penguins. They look like the ones I've seen in South Africa. Jackass penguins, I think they were. Cool. Very nice zoo in terms of landscape and all that, but I think we are going to make our way to the to a cafe or something. Just stay ahead of that enormous build up there. Ooh.